Alright guys, how we doing, man? You know, it's 1 p.m. on a Sunday. As you guys know, it is a snowstorm out there. And the way I see it, it's a unique experience. So it's a trail right by my house, some lakes and things like that. And before it gets too crazy, I know the snow is kind of deep right now, but before it gets too crazy, I'm gonna go out and explore. Cause why not? And I mean, get some content, you never know. This joint is ridiculously crazy. Holy smokes. Look at this. Somebody's already walked this too. They've been out here. I can barely see out these things, man. You know what's crazy? Why am I doing this? I genuinely have a strong inclination one day I will be, in the future, I will be exploring a lot more of the world. I'll be exploring a lot more of the world and doing some cool things. But the point being is that we out here just getting our feet dirty, you know what I'm saying? Getting our feet dirty. There's people that do this every day. There's people that live in these conditions. I wonder what that life is like. Stuff like this don't happen every day. You gotta go experience it, man. Experience it. Besides, this is dumb peaceful, man. Look at this. We're not even at the best part yet. Stay tuned. Yo. That tree started creaking, man. Took the glasses off, because we're going to have to lock in. I ain't letting the tree fall on me, man. Yo, it's creaking. Hey, man. You just getting started. See my feet, bro? Like, you see this? Just from beyond. It's peaceful, man. You can't lie, bro. Look at this. Come on, man. What? This water's still flowing. This water is still flowing. Yeah. Could I make a snowball out of these? Anyways, let's continue. Oh, hello there.
Hi, how are ya?
What's going on? You exploring too? Which way are you going? You went all the way around?
I went around. Well, I went around the top reservoir.
You going all the way around that way?
I don't think so.
Is it bad that way?
I mean, I think like the truck went by, so you can kind of walk with the tire tracks, but
Okay.
it's not that bad.
All right. Fair enough. All right, boss. I'll see you.
Yeah, but
Have a good one. So, I think it's this way that leads to the beautiful view. Somebody went through here, man. I this tree like aesthetically right here. Y'all hear this tree creaking? Them trees is creaking, man. They are. Ah! God damn! God damn! Cold.
You gotta stay in the cold.
Gotta stay in the rain.
You gotta stay ready. It's gonna be freezing, nigga. It's gonna be freezing. And just know when it's freezing, you doing something. And when you doing something, it count. And when you ain't doing shit, it don't count.
So guys, got some bad news. Even though we just got started, phone's about to die. It's 1%. So I just got a call. They said they're gonna take my melanin card. Cause what am I doing out here? I'm in the middle of nowhere. Check out the view. Y'all liking the view? Okay. Chat. We're now almost up to our knees. You heard that? I don't know. How y'all doing? Still kind of fun. Whoa! Oh! Alright guys, we only made it about like 25% of the journey. So it's time to really kind of buckle up, calm the content a little bit. I got 1%, so this 1% lasts my last. This phone is pushing this thing all around. But, yeah. Blizzard, man. Let's keep going. Sit down, man. Look at that. So we're about 40% through, man. It's not looking too bad, man. It's quiet, it's nice. It's like this. We're not doing pretty bad, man. About 60% of the way through. So yeah, man. I was hearing some snarling in the woods, man. Had me looking around real quick. What's going on?